Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to make a tinctures. A tinctures are made by soaking a herb in alcohol. This encourages the active plant constituents to dissolve, giving tinctures a relatively stronger action than infusions or decoctions. They are convenient to use and last up to 2 years. Tinctures can be made using a jug and jelly bag, instead of wine press. Although mainly used in European, American, and Australian herbal medicine, tinctures play a part in most herbal traditions. Tinctures are strong preparations and it is essential to check the recommended dosage. Never use industrial alcohol, methylated spirits, methyl alcohol, or rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, in tinctures. Alcohol-reduced tinctures. Alcoholic tinctures should sometimes be avoided, for example during pregnancy or a gastric inflammation. Adding 5 ml of tincture to a small glass of almost boiling water and leaving it for 5 minutes allow the alcohol to evaporate. To make a non-alcoholic tinctures, to replace the alcohol with vinegar or glycerol. Tincture ratios. Tinctures are made in different strengths for expressed as ratios like 1:5 ratio, 1 part herb to 5 parts alcohol, is used or unless otherwise stated. Standard quantity: 200 g dried or 300 g fresh herb chopped into small pieces to 1 liter alcohol. Vodka of 35 to 40% alcohol is ideal, although rum hides the taste of bitter or unpalatable herbs. Standard dosage: take 5 ml, 1 teaspoon, 2 to 3 times a day, diluted in 25 ml of water or fruit juice. Storage: store in a sterilized dark glass bottles and in a cool dark place for up to 2 years. Now that you know that, let's make a basic tinctures. 1. Place the herb in a large clean glass jar and pour on the alcohol and ensuring that the herb is covered, then close and label the jar. Shake well for 1 to 2 minutes. Store in a cool dark place for 10 to 14 days and shaking the jar every 1 to 2 days. 2. Set up the wine press and placing a muslin or nylon mesh bag securely inside the pour in the mixture and collect the liquid in the jar. 3. Slowly close the wine press and extracting the remaining liquid from the herbs until no more drips appear and dissert the leftover herbs. 4. Pour the tincture into a clean dark glass bottles using a funnel. When full, use a cork or a screw top and label the bottles, and then you are done. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.